I'm gonna draw a sakura today. Cherry blossoms are a symbolic flower of the spring, a time of renewal and the fleeting nature of life. That's what came to my mind when I was thinking how to use my new fan brush. Although it will be a meditative loose watercolor, I didn't feel comfortable today with a blank paper staring at me. So I made a very simple outline of a tree with a pencil. The base layer is just clear water. I wet the paper with the brush. For the first layer of color, I diluted pink with lots of water. This is the lightest layer. I put it randomly, trying to imitate the flowers growing on the tree. Paper is wet and the color bleeds freely onto it. For the second layer, I take a bit more color and less water. The color is darker now. The third layer comes the fan brush. Now I take even more color and almost no water. The paper is still a bit wet. You can see that the color bleeds into the paper. The last layer is pure color. The brush is almost dry. I'm creating the blossom, moving the brush randomly, avoiding creating a pattern. To blend hard edges, I switched again to the first round brush. To draw the stem and a few little branches, I take a thin brush. and the cherry blossom is now ready.